Hey everyone, what's going on? Steven TheSalonGuy here, and it is back to school. So I'm going to be going over some of the, best haircuts I think would work awesome if you're going back to school. So the first one is, kind of like a crop top with a fade on the sides. This is awesome if you're playing sports, you want to have somewhat of a modern, trendy looking hairstyle. You want to keep the parents happy, where you can say, "Look, my hair's short on the sides and fairly short on top," but it's just you're styling it a bit more forward. So this is something I think is a really awesome back to school look if you want like lower maintenance as far as styling it goes, and something very easy to use. Like one of my powder, my talc hair product, which is a powder. This is another one, which is an undercut. Now the undercut's been around for quite some time. However, if this is something that you are looking to have longer hair on top, but maybe you play sports and your hair gets very, very thick, the undercut is a great alternative to be able to slick the hair back, keep it back with some product like my Power Cream, which is a cream gel, and you can just set it and forget it, slick the hair back, and there's the undercut. It also helps narrow down the side, so if you've got more, of a wider head, or you're looking to narrow down the sides, this removes all that weight. So it's an awesome, awesome haircut. Here is just another version of it. So if you have it a bit longer on top, and you want to go down a bit more, then this is a good option. You could also, again, have it angled down if you want. The undercut itself can, kind of work itself down into a bit of a point or a triangle throughout the back of the head. It all depends. But the key thing to an undercut is that you're most of the time slicking your hair back, and also you're cutting the sides really, really, really short. Whether it's a number 1 guard or 3 guard, whatever you want, it's really personal preference. But this is an awesome haircut for back to school because it's something that's modern and it's easier to do. Now, if you are somebody who has thicker hair and you want to keep it a bit longer, well, Stranger Things, right? So he's known for his hair, and mullets are making a bit of a comeback. But if you've got a little wave to your hair and you don't want to do any sort of buzzing or shaving the sides, this is an awesome haircut because you can slick it back. You can let the corners of the sides and the back like just kind of flip out. And you can use something like my Tidal Wave Sea Salt Spray as a styling product. It's a great look. It's a great look, and I think it's this kind of classic haircut is coming back. Once again, another kind of mullet hairstyle. If you've got curly hair, this is a really, really, really popular haircut. And the thing about this is that, with mullets, the sides are relatively short and the back is longer. Now, if you've got curly hair, you can just literally, have the top cut fairly short and have it work back into, the longer area in the back and just trim down the sides. But this is a great option for somebody who has kind of really curly hair and wants something unique. Now, this haircut, we've all seen this before. This is what kind of got me a lot of publicity with doing the TikToker hairstyles. I did a lot of these on TikTok itself. I did a lot of TikToker haircuts on them. But this is the TikToker hairstyle. And I have the actual TikToker hairstyle kit, which includes my Tidal Wave, my hairspray, and my round brush to help you style it. But you do need this haircut. And I would have to say this is probably the most popular haircut for, teens or, younger guys. I mean, it's something that it's not going anywhere. But if you want to look cool and you want to have that, popular trend, this is definitely a haircut to get. Here's another version of a haircut I did. This is on my YouTube channel. And this is great if somebody has like a little bit of a wave to their hair. So this allows you to have a little more texture towards the top and the front. But the key to this whole TikToker hairstyle look is that the sides are usually a bit shorter. The back is usually a bit shorter. But the front, like the top half going towards the front, is a bit longer. And the more you layer it, the more you're going to have, texture. It works great on wavy hair, works okay on curly hair or straight hair. You just have to put the work in when it comes to styling it. Here's another version. This is a version where the sides aren't, super, super short. But once again, the whole point of this haircut is the front. Now, I know a lot of times, parents or somebody in the household will say, oh, your hair's too long. It's in your eyes. You can't see. You can't see. You have to learn how to style it so that it flips up in the front. And I literally, if you type in TikTok haircut, the salon guy, I have dozens upon dozens of videos on this haircut. I show you how to actually cut it and how to style it. And this one I did too. He's on my YouTube channel, Rob. He's got a bit more wavy / curly hair. And this was kind of like the mop top TikToker hairstyle. So yeah, I know people, maybe the parents may say, oh, it looks like a mess. You just have to explain to them, hey, this is my hair. I'm going to do my best I can in school, but this is how I want to wear my hair. And sometimes parents force you to cut it, which is not cool. But if they give you, free reign and they just want you to be happy, and you like this type of haircut, then make sure you can keep this neat. Just like this, even though it looks a little more, kind of fluffy in a sense and curly or wavy, you can still keep these haircuts neat. So if you want to purchase any of my products, use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below, which haircut do you have for back to school? Take care.